Finally, Nigerians can now receive PayPal money directly into Paga and withdraw in Naira. No stress, no middlemen. Let me show you how.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
With this new partnership, freelancers, content creators, and online sellers can now receive payments from clients worldwide. Withdraw instantly in Naira. Manage your PayPal balance directly in Paga.
Before anything, you need to get a PayPal account, a Nigerian PayPal account, and then here is how to link your account. You open your Paga app and log in. You go to link PayPal in the menu and enter your PayPal email and authorize the connection. That's it. You can now check your PayPal balance and withdraw to your Paga wallet. Instantly, Paga will send you an email and you will see the requirement and what is there. One of the requirements is receive your payment by sharing your email, which is what we need the most.
Always make sure you're using the official Paga app and a legit PayPal account. Never click strange links from emails. Start earning internationally today. Link your PayPal to Paga and step up your digital hustle. Like, share, and comment if you want more online money-making tips.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.